Hello friends, this is Ravi here. So let us discuss few charts for this week. So I have already done the sector analysis. So फिलहाल तो realty sector or commodity sector or infrastructure, these are the sectors which are interrelated, right? And they are outperforming Nifty and Nifty 500. So it is. So we So I have done some analysis and picked up few stocks for you where we are getting the affordable entry. So first one is ACC Cement. Yeah. So nothing much to speak about the chart. It's bullish, right? So there was this consolidation, right? And then we have seen this breakout with the diagonal triple top. So we have seen so this mini bottom was formed here. Then we have seen an anchor column. Then there was this follow through, and then we have a diagonal triple top buy. And now so this would have also qualified for an anchor column, but he just it missed it by one box, right? So, but there is strength, right? So we have seen this retracement of three boxes. So now we can get a double top buy at 25.22, right? So column reversal is very close. So 2449 is the column reversal. Once this column reversal happens, and we might get a double top buy at 25 23, and our stop loss in that case would be 2176, right? So nothing much here to discuss. Let's go to another stock, which was, I think, Bharat Forge, right? We have seen a lot of correction in auto sector in last one month or so, and there was a rebound, right? So Bharat Forge is another stock which is quite interesting. Yeah. So it is playing within the range right now. So this was the previous high. Then the price went to this high, which is 773, and there was a correction, and correction was like humongous correction, right? The prices have gone up to the level of 223, and then this 45-degree trend lines were broken. This previous resistance was also broken, and it worked as a support. So polarity principle was active here. Then there was this follow through, and we might get a double top buy here. So the double top buy would be at 845, which obviously would be lifetime high, I guess. And this range will also be taken care, right? So the stock will move out of this range, right? So we can always trade such momentum stocks. So double top buy will be at 845, and the stop loss in that case would be 707. Another stock which is from realty sector is DLF. Yeah. So DLF was in consolidation for so many years, right? And this was like consolidation from 2012-13, more or less 10 years of consolidation, not 10, 7, 8 years of consolidation, right? So there was this turtle breakout after this volatility was over, and there was a follow through. Now we can get a double top back at Uh, Double top buy is at 455 and the stop loss in this case will be 391. So nothing much to speak about. Good stock, good setup. Godrej Properties, yeah, there's no surprise. We are talking about realty sector. Godrej Properties always pop, right? So we have seen this breakout of previous resistance here, and there was this broadening, right? So there was a lot of volatility from this column to this column, but then we have got this uh, affordable entry, right? So 3 box stop loss, and we have seen an anchor column. So Godrej Properties, we already have discussed this, and I personally have traded this as well. So I got this entry here, and I still have this position in my account. Uh, so the column reversal is at 2449, which is close now, and a double top buy will be triggered at 2523, right? And the stop loss in that case would be 2176. So very nice chart, very nice setup. Another stock which caught my eye was India Bull Real Estate, I guess that's what it is called as. So there is a lot of action in this stock, right? So the stock has made high of 259 and it went down till this level, which was 39 rupees, which is very low, right? And then, and you can see a lot of anchor columns, right? Anchor column followed by another anchor column, then there are these broadening patterns. So this indicates that there was a lot of volatility, so there was indecision about this stock in the market, right? So I would definitely not buy such stock where there's so much volatility, and I would definitely buy the stock below 45-degree trend lines, right? So when the trend lines got broken, uh, then we have seen these three anchor columns, right? And but this anchor column has broken all the resistances. Then the price went down for some time, and then we have seen this double top buy. I mean this double top buy, which also was a turtle breakout, and now we are getting a turtle breakout follow through. So the price, so the double top was I think at 177, which is already triggered. So we can wait for Monday, and we can check the price at the end of the day. I mean after 315 or 320, and if the price is within 4-5% of the double top buy, obviously I will not buy if the stock goes down from the double top level, which is 177. I will not buy it at 175 as well. So I'll wait for Tuesday, Wednesday, or whatever day this entry gets triggered. I'll buy then. But Abhi, I will not invest in the stock if the price goes below 177. If that is above 177, I would definitely recommend the stock. Okay, and the stop loss is also affordable. So the stop loss would be 147 in this case. Yeah, so that was about India Bulls. Another stock which was doing well was PFC. So PFC is in the range, right? So it is making this kind of movement. So this is a range bound stock. The reason I selected this stock is only because of this bullish broadening pattern. So there was a lot of volatility, right? So there was a double top buy followed by a double bottom sell, and it was followed by another double top buy, but the number of the length of the column is increasing by every column, right? So this is called as broadening pattern. But if now the column reversal happens, which is at 130, how much is the column reversal price? Just let me check. The column reversal will happen at 139, so we'll see 3x's here, which would be similar to this level. And if we get a double top buy here, so this would be a bullish broadening pattern, which is actually very close to the high of previous high of what, 166, right? So if I get a breakout here, so this will also be a multi-year breakout. So this anchor column is active from 2014, right? So it could be a 7 years price breakout, which is a very good pattern, and the entry of course is affordable, so we can look into it. So after PFC, I think Prestige, another realty stock. Nothing much here, guys. Similar setup, continuation double top buys, and now we might get a diagonal triple top buy, which will be triggered at 497, and the stop loss would be 391. After Prestige, I think Suntech is another realty stock. Yeah, so Suntech is another stock from the realty sector, which is outperforming the realty sector, and Nifty 50 and Nifty 500. Yeah, so a lot of action has happened to the left of the chart, but the previous resistance lines is broken, and now this is acting as a support. We can get a double top buy at 512, and stop loss in that case would be 428. Good stock, affordable entry. We can always think of getting into this stock. Standard disclaimer, guys, I'm not a SEBI registered advisor, so if you want to trade this, please do your own analysis, or you can connect with your financial advisors. So that is it, guys. I think so. Only realty and commodity and infrastructure sector is doing well. So these are the stocks from those sectors. So that's it for this week. Please go through my last video where I have detailed the sector analysis for cement. So you can go through it and you can check for other cement stocks as well. Okay. See you guys. See you next week. Please take care of yourselves and always have a stop loss in place while you are trading. Thank you.